and we were beta for HP, and that was a really big step for us. And they opened our market a lot, and now we are really in a good position with additive manufacturing. So I'm Amaia de Castro. I'm part of the team of Bronymec. We are located in the Basque Country. We are a small company focused on plastic transformation, mainly machining parts, but from some years on, we are also doing additive manufacturing, everything in polymer materials, specialized in designing and the transformation between metal parts to plastic parts. For example, we've got this part in which it was in aluminum material, all of it. We translate the more aesthetic parts to additive manufacturing for lightweightness. There were still some points in the part that they need a precision. So that's why we went to the machining process for the thread and for obtaining the faces correctly for the application. So we knew Maquinser for the machines. We've got contact with them. And suddenly one day they appeared with the HP solution. And we thought that it was the perfect combination for our additive, for our machining project. It was like a perfect combination. We've got a lot of materials, precision in CNC machining, and now we also go to the customers with lightweightness, design, and with a lot of ability to go in depth with the engineering team of our customers. So we started with HP 5 years ago, more or less, and even if Maquinser was at the first moment just a supplier, they became a partner for us. They are our main partner for additive manufacturing. We've got the two HP machines with them, and luckily, with the collaboration between Maquinser and Bronymec, we were able to be the first one in Europe to obtain the FR material, the flame-retardant material, and we were beta for HP, and that was a really big step for us. And they opened our market a lot, and now we are really in a good position with additive manufacturing. Sergio was our main contact in HP. He picks up my calls, so it's okay. No, he did a really great job. He's really good communication. He do the bridge between HP and us. Even the communication with HP is fluent. There are like our support, the ones that are with our ideas, that support our ideas, and that together we make it bigger. We've got a really good feedback about them. It's true that we are not every day buying machines, but the after work, I mean the SAT, when you've got a problem, when you've got an issue, when everything you need, they are trying to help you every time. They are near you. You need everything, I'm here with you, and we can find like a good partner in them. It's not just a supplier.